Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, April 30th. Well, if we look at today's candles, we still have a first time frame uptrend. We have a higher high and a higher low on the candles, which means that the trend is up. We haven't had any reversal of this trend yet. The candle, though, the color of the candle has turned to red, which is not what we want to see in an uptrend, and the size of the body has become quite smaller. We can see quite a few times back here, if we look at these very small bodied candles, quite often they can lead to a reversal in the trend. Now also we can see the strong wick here, the long shadow here, and a smaller one on the bottom. That means price rejection. So here we have strong downside price rejection. Here we have a bit of buying coming in. But all of this means that the trend is very indecisive at the moment. Now it's a little wonder, and this was highlighted yesterday, that we actually have this area of resistance here that the market's finding it tough to get through. And interestingly, the market's tried to trade up through there, as evidenced by the long shadow or wick, and then close down below. So it's important when a market breaks a support or resistance that it closes above or below it. And here we can see that it's tried to trade up through and close down below. So that's quite significant. Now, we have to bear in mind that this trend is still up, so there is a chance that we can take out this resistance over the next few days. The only way that we can be sure is if we trade up above the high of today's candle, or if we close up above this resistance area. Importantly, if we're going to have some sort of retracement of this fast-moving uptrend, then we'd be looking to the low of today's candle to be taken out. Now, importantly, looking to the Ichimoku indicators, if we look at our cloud, we have a bullish bent to the cloud because of the configuration of these two cloud lines, and we have the market action up above the cloud, which is essentially bullish. Also, we have the Tenkan-sen, which is the fast line, the green line, above the Kijun-sen, which is the pink line, and that is very bullish as well. And also, if we look at the way that these lines are pointing, both are pointing up and both at fairly steep angles, and the angle of the Tenkan-sen has become quite steep. It looks like the market has quite a bit of momentum. So I'm of the opinion that even though we do have this indecisive type of candle and we're having a bit of trouble getting through this resistance, I think if we pull back, I think that we'll probably be held up at the Tenkan-sen. So it will act as a very good area of support for this market. So importantly, just watch how we trade with regard to this current candle over the next few days.